Hello everybody, my name is Phil Kava. I am going to be the guest on Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie this July 3rd from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. Please join me there. For those of you who don't know me, I am a subtle energy researcher, author, ET experiencer, paranormal experiencer, and Qigong master of sorts. I'll give you a little example. I have the ability to use Qi, the energy of the universe, to move people back and forth. Now, if you bear with me, just relax. A lot of you know me and know how this works, but just relax. Let me send some energy and activate the Qi that's in you already. So just relax. Put your hands up if you want, put them down, close your eyes, and you'll feel some subtle energy coming to you in millionths of a volt, gently waving through your body. Ready? Here we go. Been a while since I've done a video. I'd appreciate it if my Facebook friends could let me know how this worked. I look forward to having you all listen to me on Coast to Coast AM on July 3rd with George Norrie from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Please tune in. Enjoy. I'm going to do a couple more videos for you guys and put them up on my channel. So if you did feel the energy, great. If you didn't, I'm going to do some videos that might help you to open up to the energy. Thank you very much for listening. Hopefully, we'll have a wonderful day. See you soon.